Good morning, Emma. Before you begin your shift, we need to go over some safety instructions.
Sure, Mike. I know how important safety is in a workshop like this.
Exactly. First, always wear your protective gear, like safety goggles, earplugs, gloves, and a helmet. These are essential when operating machinery or working near heavy equipment.
Got it. Where can I find the protective gear?
It's in the supply cabinet next to the emergency exit. It's important to check your protective gear for any damage before using it.
I didn't think of that. What if I notice something damaged?
Report it immediately to your supervisor and get a replacement. Don't use damaged gear under any circumstance.
Okay, understood. What about signs around the workshop?
Those are warning signs. They alert you to hazards like high voltage, hot surfaces, or moving parts. Always follow them and never enter restricted areas without permission.
If I come across a hazard, like a loose wire or a slippery floor, what should I do?
Report it right away to your supervisor. If it's an immediate threat, use the emergency stop button if machinery is involved, and keep others away from the area.
I see. And what about chemical spills?
There's a spill kit available. You must inform the health and safety officer immediately and follow the spill response procedure step by step.
What does the spill response procedure involve?
First, secure the area. Don't let anyone walk through the spill. Then, use absorbent materials from the spill kit to contain and clean the chemical. Dispose of waste properly, and ventilate the area if needed.
Makes sense. I'll make sure to memorize those steps.
Good. Also, never operate unfamiliar equipment without reading the equipment manual. It includes operation guidelines, safety precautions, and troubleshooting steps.
Do we have digital copies of these manuals?
Yes, they're available on the internal company server and also near each machine. You must review them before starting any task.
And how do I know if I'm using the right machine for the job?
That's part of our safety protocols. Your task sheet will list the approved tools. If you're unsure, ask your supervisor before starting.
If someone is working unsafely nearby, should I say something?
Definitely. Politely remind them and inform a supervisor if needed. Safety is everyone's responsibility.
What if there's a fire or another emergency?
Follow the emergency evacuation plan. Head to the nearest emergency exit and go to the designated assembly point. Never take personal items with you.
Got it. And drills?
We run safety drills monthly. Participate seriously, they prepare us for real emergencies.
That's reassuring. This is a lot of information, but I see how necessary it is.
Absolutely. Better to be overprepared than underprepared. Do you have any questions?
No, I think you covered everything. I'll make sure to review the instructions and follow all safety protocols.
Great. Welcome aboard, and stay safe, Emma.
Thanks, Mike. I'll do my best to keep the workshop a safe place.